What if your next coworker isn't human? What if your child's future teacher is a robot? And what if the next war isn't fought with bombs, but with lines of code? The future is already knocking, and its name is artificial intelligence. Welcome to Speed Reads, where smart minds come to grow. Let's turn pages into power. Today, we're exploring Supremacy, AI, ChatGPT, and the race that will change the world. A bold, eye-opening look into how AI is reshaping everything we know. Supremacy is written by global tech insiders and futurists who break down the world's most powerful force, artificial intelligence. With a strong focus on ChatGPT, the AI language model that took the world by storm, this book examines how machines are beginning to think, learn, create, and yes, even replace us in ways we never imagined. From Silicon Valley boardrooms to Chinese tech labs and military bunkers, Supremacy reveals the global AI race that will shape our economy, jobs, politics, and personal lives. The central theme of this book is simple but urgent. Whoever dominates AI will dominate the world. We're witnessing a new kind of global arms race, not with nuclear weapons, but with neural networks. AI is becoming the new electricity. It's powering everything, from smart homes and self-driving cars to business decisions, government surveillance, and even romance. ChatGPT is just the beginning. AI tools are evolving faster than any other technology in history. And with each advancement, the line between human and machine becomes harder to see. Supremacy doesn't just explain what's happening, it shows you why it matters and how to prepare. 5 key takeaways. 1. AI is the most disruptive force since the internet. AI is no longer a tool, it's a force of nature. Just like the internet changed how we communicate, AI is changing how we think and operate. It's writing emails, composing music, diagnosing diseases, and designing buildings. In short, if your job involves information or decision-making, AI is coming for it. But it's not all fear. Those who embrace AI will unlock new levels of creativity and productivity. Second, ChatGPT is only the tip of the iceberg. While ChatGPT made headlines, it's just one piece of a much larger AI puzzle. Behind the scenes, countries and corporations are building advanced AI that can analyze video, process emotions, and control drones. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and China's Baidu are in a silent race, and the stakes are high. Think of ChatGPT as the friendly face of AI. The real power, it's deeper, faster, and often invisible. Third, data is power, and it's being weaponized. The book stresses that AI learns from data, massive amounts of it. Every search you make, every like you give, and every voice command you say, it's all feeding AI systems. Governments and tech giants now compete to control this data because the more data you have, the smarter your AI becomes. In the wrong hands, this power can manipulate elections, predict protests, and erase privacy. 4. The AI education divide is real. AI won't just change how we work, it's changing how we learn. Imagine a child in a remote village having a personalized AI tutor 24/7, while another student still waits for textbooks. The book explains how AI can bridge the education gap, but only if it's made accessible. If not, we risk a new kind of digital inequality, where the rich get smarter and the poor fall behind even faster. 5. We need ethics before it's too late. One of the most powerful points in the book is this. AI is evolving faster than our ability to regulate it. Who decides what AI should or shouldn't say? Can AI lie? Should it be allowed to influence people? Without ethical guidelines, we're handing over power to machines without understanding the consequences. The authors urge tech companies, governments, and everyday users to demand transparency and responsibility before it's too late. The book also dives into real examples. that feel like science fiction but are happening now. In China, AI cameras in classrooms track student focus and alert teachers in real time. In the US, AI is used by police departments to predict crime hotspots. Microsoft has invested billions into integrating ChatGPT into its software, changing how millions work every day. These examples aren't from the future, they're happening today. If you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or anyone trying to future-proof your skills, this book is a must-read. It doesn't just tell you what AI is doing, it helps you think critically about what's next. You'll walk away informed, maybe even a little uneasy, but definitely more prepared. Whether you're excited about AI or concerned about it, Supremacy gives you the knowledge to understand and adapt. Supremacy, AI, ChatGPT, and the race that will change the world, is not just a book. It's a blueprint for the future and a warning. The question is, will you ignore the shift or ride the wave? Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you ready for an AI-driven world? This is Speed Reads, where smart minds come to grow. Let's turn pages into power.